There are two options for safe and effective stair and slope descent: standard and supported. The supported option was developed primarily for bilateral amputees and users who prefer a little more support while walking down slopes and stairs. When this option is checked, the flexion resistance increases during stance phase as the knee flexion angle increases. That leads to a slower and more controlled descent. If the supported option is deactivated, the knee joint provides the standard behavior for slopes and stairs descent that has been in the C-Leg since it was launched. The flexion resistance remains at the same level during stance phase and offers a constant yielding behavior.